back to my channel. So it is currently really early in the morning. The dogs have a grooming appointment, so I'm about to go drop them off and then go get some Starbucks. Alright, so I got my pumpkin cold brew with extra cream, and then I got my pumpkin muffin. I'm gonna wait to try this till I get home, so let's get going. Hey, so I'm back. I'm actually upstairs on my vanity. So I have the, what is this thing called again? Oh yeah, pumpkin cold brew, and I got extra cream. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. And then I got, let me go get my camera. Let me go get my holder. But let me first show you the Mickey. And then I got the pumpkin cream cheese muffin. So I just came, let me get my camera holder. So let me try this before it gets hot. It's pretty good. I mean, if you don't like pumpkin, then you won't like it. Ooh, this lighting is bad. There we go. Let's mess with the settings. So I woke up today with this huge ass monster. So I'm gonna eat the muffin because I'm hungry. So good. I just want to put on a little bit of makeup before I have to go pick up my dogs. They're getting groomed, like I said in the beginning. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then when I come back, I will not be looking this rough. Okay, so I just got a message. Oop, I got another message. Hold on. Sorry, it's just my husband. So I did my makeup. I'm doing my hair in a little bit when I come back. But I'm gonna go get the dogs right now. Got my cool fight. So this is my makeup, very simple. I look very fall with my coffee. The dogs are literally right down the street, so less than 5 minutes to get there and back home. Look at my baby, they look good. Say hi. Show everybody how handsome you are. Say hello to some cooking. It's our baby. I'm so bad at vlogging today. So I did my makeup. I did my hair. Just have it back because it's hot in the house. Lunch. And hello, Ring. And I was just going to organize this drawer. It's basically like a junk drawer. I keep organizing it, but then my husband just keeps throwing more stuff in it. So I have all my towels folded. I need to go over these with like a razor. So I need to do this. She heard food. So I'm done with the drawer. This is what it looks like. So I just have like plastic utensils, some like wipes for the counters, the mittens for the pans, Sharpies, and then I have all my little towels. So I just got this one at Walmart for 94 cents, along with that one, Happy Halloween. And then I just have Buffalo Check, Christmas, more Thanksgiving, Texas, but more Buffalo Check. So that's the organized drawer. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I'm an awful vlogger, but I wanted to do like a little video of me rearranging my kitchen, like decorating it. I have this new piece that I just redid, so I'm gonna show you that. So this is the new piece. It's like a bread box, but I don't know if I'm gonna put bread in it, but I redid it. Painted this white in these sides, left this the same. Put our last name on it. I don't know what else to put on it, but the stickers are not permanent, that you could take them off. And then I painted the little knob black. So I think I want to put this over here somewhere. So I have to figure some things out because the counter is a mess right now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
So this is what I just have for now. I do want to move this over here, but I'm gonna wait to do that. So then I don't know where to put this. Gotta figure something out. Toaster, I'm cleaning my jewelry. Okay, so I finally figured out how I want it. So I just put the spices up on here, my Pioneer Woman cookbook, and then I have, those two are empty because I'm still figuring out what I want to put in them or if I want to keep them there. So I still have the bread box. It only has rice cakes in it and popcorn. And then I just have rice, the dog's treats, the cutting board, and napkins. So this is what I have right here.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we